wala nang intro-intro. Samahan nyo kami magtunaw ng taba. Tunawin natin ang mga kinain natin simula nung Noche Buena. Tara, mag-exercise tayo. This is a 15-minute workout. Easy version. Let's go! Whoop!
Oh, mga kapitbahay, bango na! Anong gusto mo? Papawis o pajubis? Okay, unahin natin ang stretching. Neck, stretch. Right, 10 seconds. Three, two, one, switch. Kaliwa naman, left. Yep, doing good. Kasunod naman ay sky reach. Abutin natin ang mga kalangitan. And this is for 20 seconds. Let's go! Three, two, one, rest for 10 seconds. Next naman ay ang shoulder pull across, left. And let's go. Three, two, one, switch. Right naman. Three, two, one, and rest for 10 seconds. At ang kasunod natin ay inchworm. Paano gawin ang inchworm? Ganito. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! This is for 40 seconds. Tama ka, 40 seconds. 4, 0. Try mong wag i-bend yung tuhod mo as much as possible. Yep. Konti na lang. Last 10 seconds. Three, two, one, and done. Okay, while resting for 10 seconds, next naman ay down, top, top, up, top, top. This is for 30 seconds and let's go. Down, top, top, up, top, top. Try mong wag i-bend yung knees mo as much as possible. Yep. Stretch those legs. Last 10 seconds. Three, two, one, time's up. Okay, rest for 10 seconds and next is knee hug. Hug your right knee in 3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, and switch. Okay, rest for 10 seconds. At ang kasunod naman natin ay ang ankle and hamstring stretch. Okay, paano? Panoorin. Okay, rest for 5 seconds and push. Yay! Next is ab stretch. And this is for 40 seconds. Let's go! This is our last stretching exercise. After nito, tara, papawis na, patunaw na ng taba. Go, go, go! Five, four, three, two, and one. Stop! Next naman is half burpees. At gagawin natin to in 40 seconds. Yes, 40 seconds. Kung mahilig ka sa burger, dapat marunong ka mag-burpees. Pero half lang to. And ready? Let's go! 40 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay. Get up mga kapitbahay and take a rest. Dahil pahirap na ng pahirap mga exercises natin. Katulad nito. Tawag dito ay squat punch. Simple lang. I-squat ka lang, sabay punch. Squat punch. Okay, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and squat, punch, squat, punch. The harder you punch, the more calories are being burned. Targetin natin yung mga hita natin, tsaka itong braso. Punch. Lapit na. 3, 2, 1, and let's have a break. Water break. Okay, mga kapitbahay, next is seal jack. Para siyang jumping jack pero sa harap yung pag-appear mo. Okay, and let's go! 40 seconds! Let's burn calories, let's burn fats. Come on! Three, two, one, and stop. Next is dynamic squats. Squat, side jump, squat. This is for 40 seconds. Ready? And go. Side jump, squat. Ramdam nyo ba ang init sa inyong thighs? 5, 2, 1, and break. Next is shoulder taps. This is for 25 seconds. Kung kaya nyo naman extend ng 30 seconds, 40 seconds, better. Let's go! Kayang-kaya, walang susuko, walang bibitaw. Last 10. Three, 2, 1, and well done! Okay, mga kapitbahay. Next naman, abs exercises. Torso twist, 40 seconds. Let's go! Twist mo yung love handles na yan. Ramdam nyo ba yung graham cake? Sige, twist! Ramdam nyo ba yung twister fries? Malalaman mong tama yung ginagawa mo pag sumasakit. Break. At ang kasunod natin ay bicycle crunches. This is for 30 seconds. Let's go! Sige, para sa abs. Alam ko masakit. Okay. Next is butterfly crunches. Abutin mo ng kanang kamay mo yung kaliwang paa mo. At kaliwang kamay sa kanang paa. Ready? Let's go! 20 seconds lang naman eh. Three, 2, 1, and break. Next is heel touches. This is for 40 seconds. 40 seconds, let's go! If you can feel the pain, you're doing it right. Almost there. Three, 2, 1, and break. Next is a single leg race. Unahin natin yung kaliwa. Let's go. And let's switch. Kanan naman. And let us go. Stop. Wow. Next is elbow plank, and this is for 40 seconds. Kayang-kaya, 40 seconds lang naman eh. Let's go. I-squeeze mo yung abs mo para lumabas. Last 15. Five, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Next is tricep dips, and this is for 30 seconds. And let's go. Nasa arms exercises na tayo. Don't worry, 3 lang to. After this, 2 exercises na lang. Okay. Okay, last two exercises. Arm circles. Ito mukhang madali to pero mararamdaman mo yung init sa yung braso. Oh, let's go! 40 seconds. Kung sumasakit, tama. Tama yung ginagawa mo. Kaya pa. Kayang-kaya. O break. Last exercise. Around the world. Easy version. Kung may dumbbells kayo, kuha kayong dumbbells. Kung wala naman, okay lang din. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go around the world. Arms, shoulders, and chest. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and stop! Yes! Dito nagtatapos ang ating exercise. See you sa next vlog, mga kapitbahay!